Moms from 50s to 70s generation messed up their knees. Do you know why? Because the previous generation worked a lot in the house, did household activities, a lot of squatting, pushing, pulling kind of activities in the kitchen and their daily chores. And the present generation is doing a lot of sedentary work, but there is a lot of awareness and people are exercising every day for their fitness. But our moms in that generation where there was a transition happening, they were not aware about the specific exercises they are supposed to do for their knee. And that's the reason they are suffering so much. It's never too late. Make sure you're balancing your knee well with your exercises, dear moms.